Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to manage notification in Avira. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your notification in Avira. So, this is very useful if you don't want to receive any kind of notification like surveys or any updates from Avira or anything like that. And this is very useful. But if you want to receive those updates and receive surveys from Avira, this is also very useful. So the first thing you need to do to To manage your notification in Avira, just open up myavira.com and you will be located to your myavira account. So it's very simple. Just do this myavira.com. For example, copy this, remove that, and there you go. Myavira.com. Type in that avira.com and click enter. And you'll be located to your myavira account. Loading. There you go. And once you're here, click on the top right and click on my account. After clicking on my account, click on notification. After clicking on notification, you will be here. Locate your notification, and this will you be able to manage your Avira notification. For example, you want to receive Avira surveys or offers of on product or maybe Avira news, or if you don't want to receive any license renewal, just remove that, or product related information, remove that, and then click save change, and there you go. It will be emailed to you when there's a survey in Avira. So yeah, there you go, guys. And a little bit of a tip for you guys. This is you can just turn everything off when you don't own an Avira or you didn't buy from Avira. That's my biggest tip. And you just turn it all on. There you go. If you own something on Avira, if you bought something like a subscription or something, just leave it on because sometimes it will tell you when to renew your license, or maybe sometimes the Avira news will help you out on the new features when you are subscribed, and just click on save change, and there you go. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.